Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan, in a special message from his jail cell on Kashmir Solidarity Day, once again reiterated the country's unwavering support for the Kashmiri people, pledging to continue its diplomatic, moral, and political advocacy until they attain their rightful freedom. Since 1990, every year the people of Pakistan and Kashmir around the world commemorate February 5th as Kashmir Solidarity Day. Imran Khan, during his tenure as Prime Minister, had even referred to himself as the ambassador of Kashmir, vowing to always extend full support and raise the issue of their occupation by India at all forums. Imran Khan said, and quote, "As Prime Minister, I made continuous diplomatic efforts to highlight the Kashmir issue on the global stage. Since day one, my stance has been clear. The establishment of friendly relations between Pakistan and India is contingent upon the resolution of the Kashmir dispute as per United Nations resolution." Imran Khan further stated that there can be no peace in the region until the Kashmir issue is resolved, while calling on the international community to take note of India's grave human rights violations. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, the party of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, held a virtual rally on Wednesday to mark the one-year anniversary of its historic election victory. This victory was achieved despite unprecedented pre-poll rigging, the incarceration of its leader, and the denial of its election symbol. During the virtual rally, party leaders and candidates who had won according to the actual election tally shared their experiences of being denied victory by powerful shadowy forces in Pakistan. While the party celebrated the resilience of
अचानक ये
its
एहसास
workers
हुआ
and
कि नहीं, 26
candidates,
नवंबर
it
बहुत
also
बड़ी
highlighted
कामयाबी
the
थी।
country's
दुनिया को
descent into
पता
fascism under a brutal military-backed government. Victims and families of the Islamabad massacre joined the live transmission, sharing horrifying details of how state security forces targeted them solely because of their affiliation with Imran Khan and PTI. Thousands of people tuned into the virtual rally across the various platforms PTI streamed its rally on. PTI has warned that Pakistan's military government is pushing the situation in Balochistan toward a 1971-like scenario when the country lost half its territory. In a press conference, PTI's Secretary of Information Sheikh Waqas Akram stated that the party's representatives and its offices in Quetta, the provincial capital, were targeted and abducted as they prepared for a rally on February 8th. He said, and quote, "This is fascism, this is oppression, this is thuggery. The powers that be shouldn't blame other countries for the deterioration of law and order in the province. The government itself is responsible." Unquote. Besides coming after Imran Khan's PTI, the military government has targeted political activists of other parties as well, abducting and disappearing many Baloch youth. President Trump's plan to take over Gaza has garnered a severe backlash from members of Congress, Arab and Muslim countries around the world, and rights activists at home. Republican senators said Trump's proposal to turn Gaza into the Riviera of the Middle East is gaining little traction on Capitol Hill and predict it won't go anywhere, just like his plans to acquire Greenland and seize control of the Panama Canal. Senator Rand Paul said, and quote, "I think it's a really dumb idea to talk about having U.S. troops in Gaza. It's the last place on earth I would send U.S. troops, and I won't support it." Unquote. Senator Lindsey Graham, one of Trump's closest Senate allies, warned that a U.S.-led attempt to remove Palestinians from Gaza would be very problematic. The idea has been rejected by countries in the region such as Jordan and Egypt and key U.S. allies, while the UN issued a warning against any form of ethnic cleansing. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said Gaza was an integral part of a future Palestinian state, telling a meeting in New York the rights of Palestinians to live as human beings in their own land was slipping further out of reach. The world, he said, had seen a chilling, systematic dehumanization and demonization of an entire people.